Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, I had a couple predictions in the Friday video where I'm like, wouldn't it be nice if another 7 off 2 digital would show up for the Dove body wash? And I guess my crystal ball was working because I got it on the nose. This happens the odd time, but this coupon showed up this morning and it's valid for that week only. So load it right away. Actually, it's valid for 2 weeks. Load it right away. It's a 7 off 2 for the Dove bar soap or the body wash, and it's on that promotion of buy 2, get back a $4 store register reward. But in the fine print, it said Dove body wash or hair care, and the hair care is also, there's this very generous 7 off 2, plus it's also on the exact same promotion. So load both of these 7 off 2 digital coupons, and here's the math. So grabbing 2 of the body washes for $14, subtracting that 7 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash. It is okay to use some Walgreens cash if you want to spend it for this. That register reward should still print. Now, as the body wash and the shampoo is on the same promotion, if you want to get 4 of them, you must do them in 2 separate transactions as you want 2 register rewards to print. If you put all 4 in one transaction, only one $4 register reward will print, and it's the same dealio for the shampoo and the body wash. So this is a really good deal. At Rite Aid, I think it's $11 for one of these Dove body washes. Dollar General, $8.25. This is saving money. Now, I made a dedicated video yesterday about this because I was getting a lot of people like really excited about this in the comments. 2 for $3 for the big Stationery, certain products. Now, we had a digital coupon that showed up weeks ago. If you loaded it and did not use it, it should still be in your store account. If you used it, it's obviously no longer there. So you're going to have to remember, did you use it or not? Now, this morning, they're ringing up for that cost. And I basically threw 2 into a digital basket for a curbside pickup just for fun. And check this out, guys. The 3 off 2 is coming off. So even though you can't see it visually in your digital coupons folder, it is coming off. And this coupon expires today, which is Sunday, July the 24th. So the easiest way to see, oh, do I have this? Do I not have this? Throw 2 in a basket and see if you get the same math as I would get out to the store and do this today if you want some highlighters or free Bic pens. Wow. Okay, the next deal I had a little crystal ball thought was on this digital coupon for the Optic White or the toothbrush. I want to get one of those 2 products or both, one of each. This showed up this morning, which is a 4 off of 2. And as you can see, the brush and the wash is actually part of the photo. So yes, and it's also part of the fine print. So I'm absolutely going to make this happen. And you got to do this week, grabbing 1 wash and 1 brush for $7.98. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. You can spend it to earn it, and it's just some free products that are not toothpaste. So I just like this deal that we can get a wash and a brush for free. Like, how lovely is that? Now, I had another little moment where I showed you a deal with Tide on Friday, but it wasn't that great because we didn't have any digital coupons. But I've lined something new up. If you have this booster, and I know a lot of you have either this one or the 5 back when you spend $22, we have a bunch of Tide coupons that popped up this morning, and they hold those hostage. So to get 4 of them is weird. I got the $1 for the Tide Liquid, the $1 for the Tide Pod. If you wish to do this deal, load all of these coupons. We have the $1 for the fabric enhancer, the Downy or the Bounce dryer sheets. I got 2 of these, so load both of these $1 coupons. Looking at the mathematics for this, so get a mix of the Tide Pods, Liquid, and Downy for $21.96, subtracting $4 coupons, plus have your booster loaded. You're paying $17.96 with your debit card, getting back a $6 register reward for Tide, and then $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a booster for this little dealio. $1.74 Tide, yes please, and thank you so much. Crystal ball was a bit foggy on this. I thought maybe Garnier Fructis might give us a digital coupon, but if this is the only slip up I had in that Friday video, I'm okay with that. But it shakes it out to $3 for 2 or $1.50 per Garnier, but I would do the Dove shampoo deal so much better. Take off. If you might have a Big Lots near you, They're basically giving away one of these little icy drinks, free sparkling ice for free. You basically go to the till, grab one of these. They're usually at the front of the store, and the cashier scans your store card and you get a drink for free. Sunday, the 24th, is the last day for this. If you have a Big Lots, go and get a free drink. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.